What is going on, guys? This is Yo here, back with you again with another opportunity to actually level up your DEX trading. So you often see sometimes people making 2x 3x 5x or even 10x with respect to their trading, and you might be wondering how are they actually able to pull out all those gains. Well, and this is why I'm actually introducing get.com to you, because it's literally fast, and of course you get to actually catch up all these plays on a time. And over the course of the years, this platform has actually listed well over 1,700 cryptocurrencies over the years. Remember, during the launch of Pi or Pepe, literally core.io of course tend to actually lead in terms of listing all these tokens. This is why you need to actually get on board and of course leverage get.com alpha section, which I am going to be showing you right away. So drag this favorite section right here, drag it to your left. That's all you have to do. So once you drag it, as you can see, the alpha section is now obvious for us to actually click on it. This is it right here, all the tokens inside our alpha section. All you have to do is just copy your CA from anywhere that you are having the CA from, and of course paste it right here. So that's all you have to do. As you can see, you can have top searches, you can have signal, you can have teams, or if you even want to explore new ones. So this is why the alpha section is literally jam-packed with a lot of sources that you need to actually sit down and of course have your head around it. So I can't literally just summarize everything that this awesome platform. So just take a look at this, guys. Over the first time that this token was actually introduced into the platform, it has actually run more than 3x, right? This is another one right here. So as you can see, this one 95%, this one 7x. So this is literally just it. We have all the chains. You can, like I said, you can select all the chains you need. You can select the time frame that you actually wanted to use, or if at all you've gotten your CA from elsewhere, all you have to do is just click on the trade icon right here. So once you click on that, so once you click on trade, remember we are using the alpha section, so you need to navigate to here that says alpha. So click on it because we are on that spot right here, so we need to click on alpha. So once you click on alpha, this is where we get to see all the tokens that are meme related. So just click on it right here. Once you click on the token, so this is basically where I clicked on the Trump. So I clicked on it, and of course I can search, I can see all the tokens that are here based on their chains. And if at all I have a CA personally that maybe someone gave me a signal, all I have to do is just click on the search icon and of course paste my CA. So if I paste it, all I have to do is just wait for it. As you can see, I have my token right here, and of course this is it right here. The token has actually opened. The next thing I want to do is just click on how much I want to buy. Maybe I want to buy $10 worth of this particular token, and of course that's basically it, guys. And of course, like I said, there are a whole lot of features that you can literally capitalize on this platform. So that's it for now. Make sure you sign up and of course start leveraging this awesome platform.